Welcome back to the channel. Yes, we're at it again. A little bit more DIY, this time on the E82.
10 toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. Nah, nah, nah. Tour to the other side. Chuck it tour to the other side. It's all love, just know we down to ride. No new faces, no strangers vanish.
So unfortunately, because I've rushed about, I had a message basically saying, is the front bumper for sale? Can you get it off as quick as possible? So I've done that, and in the process forgot to record that of getting it off. So it's currently down there on the floor. Turns out the guy doesn't want it now, so he's wasted my time. But on the other hand, the M Sport bumpers are coming today, and hopefully I'll be fitting them either later on today or tomorrow. I am, however, going to show you the process of taking off the back bumper, and then I'll show you the process of fitting all the front bumper and the back bumper of the M Sport conversion. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to it.
I remember time back down on Fifth Block, never switch sides, free PC until he touched down. Chuck it to the other side. It's all love, just know we down to ride. No new faces, no strangers vanish. I remember we were down, we never panicked. We super rockin', make your little girl wanna dance, see her booty poppin'. Heard you talking.
So there are 3 bolts, 3 8mm nuts that hold it on, the connector for the light, which holds the harness, and the connector at the top. So I undid that one first, just twists out, and then you squeeze the pins, the legs on the connector to the light itself, which holds the bulbs. And then once you've took the 8mm nuts off, the light's ready to pop out. At this point, I was just checking where the bolts were. There should be 3 or 4 8mm bolts behind that hold the wheel arch lining onto the bumper. But on mine, there was a few that were missing, so the previous owner has obviously taken them off and left them off. Just to make life easier, I jacked the car up to be able to get to the wheel arch liner a little bit easier. And then there is 1 8mm bolt directly upwards from the bumper into the bracket and the body of the car. Once that's loose, it pulls away on the corner, and then it's a case of finding the other ones underneath.
Make your little girl wanna dance, see her booty poppin'. Heard you talking all about it, I really got it. Heard you talking all about it, I really got it. Young guy, trust guy, I'll be like, what's up?
This one is the 8mm bolt that holds the bumper onto the bracket and body of the car.
Bank, I'm laughing, ha ha. Now I'm up our belly, here, thinking hater, rah rah. Okay, moment I fade, I gotta go away. Okay, pressure on me if you can't make no mistakes. Okay, I remember time back down on Fifth Block, never switch sides, free PC until he touched down. Chuck it to the other side. It's all love, just know we down to ride. No new faces, no strangers vanish. I remember we were down, we never.
There are roughly 8, maybe even 10 8mm bolts underneath, which hold the bumper up to the trays and up to the bottom of the arch lining underneath too.
I've been working really grinding, timing, perfect, see me wildin', flying, getting on my mileage, rising, silent, see them biting. Everything's been changing, not the same no more. Nothing is the same, who's to blame? Don't know this game no more. I still do my thing and stack this change until I can't no more. People say I changed, but to my mom, he's still a baby boy. Chuck it to the other side. It's all love, just know we down to ride. No new faces, no strangers vanish. I remember we were down, we never panicked. Got it, we super rockin'. Make your little girl wanna dance, see her booty poppin'. Heard you talking all about it, I really got it. Heard you talking all about it, but I really got it. Yeah. Chuck it to the other side. It's all love, just know we down to ride. No new faces, no strangers vanish. I remember we were down, we never panicked. Got it, we super rockin'. Make your little girl wanna dance, see her booty poppin'. Heard you talking all about it, I really got it. Heard you
So both bumpers are now off. As you can see, I did notice that the crash bar behind the rear bumper was a little bit rusty, so I've rubbed it down. I'm now just going to give it a quick coat of Hammerite just to protect it. When the M Sport bumpers get here, they'll be fitted too. Stay tuned.
Touchdown. Chuck it to the other side. It's all I just know we down the ride. No new faces, no strangers vanish. I remember we were down, we never panicked. Got it, we super rockin'. Make your little girl wanna dance, see her booty poppin'. Heard you talking all about it, I really got it.
So it's the following morning. Couldn't get them fitted yesterday because it was a bit late by the time they got here. So here we have the front now built up, other than the fog lamps, all ready to go. The back bumper also fitted, ready to go, minus the diffuser, which I'm also waiting to get painted.
Make your little girl wanna dance, see her booty poppin'. Heard you talking all about it, I really got it. Heard you talking all about it, but I really got it. Chuck it to the other side. It's all I just know we down the ride. No new faces, no strangers vanish. I remember we were down, we never panicked. Got it, we super rockin'. Make your little girl wanna dance, see her booty poppin'. 10 toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. 10 toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang.
So there we have it, M Sport kit fitted. There are a couple of bits still to go on. So the diffuser, I'm waiting to get painted. Front splitter, something a little bit different, and the M Performance side skirts. So stay tuned to see them. Subscribe to the channel to keep seeing the videos on the E82 and many other cars. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next one.